Good evening. As you can see here, this is the pre-assessment for your section, and this is the first one. I have so far 24 answers for this session, and I'm gonna go through the names. As you can see here, this is the second, the third, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Then, I don't have yours. It couldn't be, maybe you forgot to send the form. Maybe you filled the form, but you didn't send the form. I'm not sure about that. But I'm really aware of your participation. Please try to send the form as usual. Thank you.